Can you ask Kieran Foley, where does the money go from bottles that are never returned?
Okay, so the money is held within the scheme, and it's really important to say that this is a not-for-profit scheme. So there's talk of a tax and all of that stuff. There's nothing like that. What we want you to do is go back and get your money back. In the meantime, we have a long-term business plan. We have a 10-year plan. We knew there would be some unredeemed deposits as part of our business plan. In the long run, that will diminish. But what we're looking for is that all the bottles and cans come back. We don't want the money. We want people to get their money back. But the answer is that it goes towards running the scheme at present.
Okay, so that's where it goes. But ultimately, there must be a plan in place for what to do with the surplus into the future.
Exactly. Well, if you think about it,
I know you
money
hope
is
it won't be
tight.
much of a surplus, but
In the meantime, it will all be put into either recycling initiatives
Okay.
or things like marketing to improve the recycling rate. So until we get to the 90% by 2029, it'll all be pumped back into the scheme